10 tips to keep your brain young and healthy at any age. Our brains are one of our most important organs, and we must take care of them as we age because as we age, our brains go through changes that can impact our cognitive abilities. As we age, many of us may worry about cognitive decline and the potential impact on our quality of life. Fortunately, research has shown several ways to maintain a powerful and sharp brain, even after age 50. By understanding how to take care of our brains and the practical advice, you could keep your mind active, engaged, and at peak performance and have a fulfilling and vibrant life. This video will explore evidence-based tips and strategies for optimizing brain health and cognitive function as we age. Number 1. Eat a healthy diet. A healthful diet like the Mediterranean diet can support brain health and cognitive function. According to a study published in Nutrients, a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats can help protect against cognitive decline and improve cognitive function. Examples of brain-healthy foods include fatty fish like salmon, tuna, and sardines, which are rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Berries like blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries contain antioxidants. Leafy greens like spinach and kale, which contain folate and vitamin K. Nuts and seeds like almonds and walnuts, which contain healthy fats and protein. Dark chocolate contains flavonoids that can improve blood flow to the brain. Number 2. Engage in mentally challenging activities. Like our muscles, our brains need exercise to stay healthy and strong. Mentally stimulating activities like puzzles, games, and reading can help maintain and improve cognitive function. According to a study published in PLOS One, playing games and completing puzzles can improve memory, attention, and processing speed. Examples of puzzles and games that can challenge the brain include crossword puzzles, Sudoku, chess or other strategy games, brain teasers or riddles, video games that require problem-solving and critical thinking. Number 3. Exercise regularly. Regular physical activity has been linked to better brain health in numerous studies. Exercise helps increase blood flow to the brain, improving the delivery of oxygen and nutrients to brain cells. Exercise also increases the production of growth factors, which can stimulate the growth of new neurons and improve cognitive function. Other studies have shown that exercise can improve memory, attention, and processing speed and is associated in midlife with a reduced risk of dementia later in life. Examples of activities that can promote brain health include brisk walking or jogging, strength training, yoga or Pilates, dancing, swimming. Number 4. Be social. Staying socially engaged can positively impact brain health and cognitive function. According to a study published in Current Directions in Psychological Science, socializing can reduce the risk of cognitive decline, promote cognitive flexibility, and enhance overall well-being. Number 5. Reduce stress. Chronic stress can harm brain health, so finding ways to reduce stress is important. Techniques such as meditation, yoga, and deep breathing can help to reduce stress and promote relaxation. These practices have been shown to have beneficial effects on brain function and may help to improve cognitive function and reduce the risk of cognitive decline. Practice mindfulness. Mindfulness is the practice of being present in the moment and non-judgmentally aware of your thoughts and feelings. This practice has been shown to reduce stress, improve attention and focus, and increase overall well-being. Number 6. Drink plenty of water. Staying hydrated is vital for brain health, as dehydration can lead to cognitive impairment. Drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water daily to keep your brain hydrated and functioning at its best. Studies show mild dehydration associated with impaired cognitive function in young adults. Number 7. Connect with nature. Spending time in nature can positively impact brain health and cognitive function. According to a study published in Frontiers in Psychology, spending time in nature can improve mood, reduce stress, and improve cognitive function. Walking in a park, taking a camping trip, or spending time gardening or tending to plants are ways to connect with nature. Number 8. Learn something new. Research has shown that engaging in new and challenging activities can help maintain and improve cognitive function, even in older adults. Learning something new, such as a new language or musical instrument, can stimulate the brain and promote neural growth and plasticity. Learning a new skill can also boost self-confidence and promote a sense of accomplishment, positively affecting mental health and well-being. Number 9. Get enough sleep. Sleep is essential for brain health. Adults should aim for 7 to 8 hours every night. During sleep, the brain consolidates memories and flushes out toxins. Lack of sleep can negatively impact cognitive function, mood, and overall well-being. Number 10. Engage in creative activities. Creative activities can help promote cognitive function, reduce stress, and improve overall well-being. Activities such as painting, drawing, or writing can provide mental stimulation and allow self-expression. Engaging in creative activities can increase positive emotions and improve cognitive function. Thank you for watching.